Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install configure MySQL Server 9.7.0 LTS version on Debian 13.5. The process is same on all Debian 13 versions. Either it may be 13, 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.4 or 13.5 or later versions of 13. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the latest version 9.7.0. Then select the operating system Debian Linux, then select OS version. See here we have the 13. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Okay, see, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this Debian. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 481 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the start file and we will install MySQL Server 9.7.0. This will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, CD downloads, ls. Now we have to enter the star file, tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter, ls. Now we have to install these Debian packages. Before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf8 libaio -dem. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, that is, hit enter. See, both are already newest versions. Ls. Now install this package: sudo dpkg -i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 9.7.0. Now set the password for root account. Re-enter the same. We have successfully installed Control it. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is started and it is active and running. Now connect to MySQL. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that you have set for this root account. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server version number 9.7.0. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases that comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use the keyword, then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Now create table. See, we have created a table customer. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these users. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. MySQL hyphen new username is David hyphen P. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL server. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, you have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access that database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user and we haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.9.7.0 on Debian Linux operating system. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify. See, MySQL service stopped 4 seconds ago. Now we can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, MySQL service stopped. Now start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. See, we have started 1 second ago. Now restart. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. If you quit Control until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Debian operating systems. I have already installed DBA on this machine. Now click on this database and select new database connection. Now click on this new database connection. Both are same. Then select MySQL. Then click on next. Localhost is fine because MySQL server is installed on this one. Port number 3306. Database we have the bank. Username root. Then provide the password that you have set. Then click on test connection. This is the expected error. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Then go to driver properties. Then allow public key retrieval. By default it is false. Change it to true. Then click on test connection. Is successfully connected to MySQL server 9.7.0. Click on OK. Expand databases. See, here we have these databases. If you want to create database, right click, create new database. See, we have created database. Go to users. See, here we have these users. If you want to create user, again right click, then select create new user. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, SQL, then open SQL console. We have the table customer, so run the query against the table. Select the query and click on this execute button. So you got the output. Okay. You can also verify whether this database is created or not by going to terminal MySQL -u root -p. So you have created test3p. Okay. So exit. Unless we have successfully installed MySQL server 9.7 on Debian Linux 13. Okay, these files are not required anymore, so I am deleting them to clear the space. rm start.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Ls remove this one also. rm MySQL, then press the tab. Ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL server 9.7.0 LTS version on Debian Linux 13.5. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.